This is my life. Okay, my neighborhood is beautiful, of green areas, all very friendly, and there are people of all age, from children to adults. There are several dogs in the neighborhood. One of my neighborhood has a cat called Charlie. And this color is particularly because he is, or it is in this case, it looks like a coat. Have some neighborhoods, Nestor and Sergio. Nestor, he play guitar, and Sergio play guitar all time. They have a band, and sometimes they have problems, had noise problems, just like with me. But it's complicated because how can you as a musician not to play an instrument? Well, it's complicated. There are some babies and this also causes problems with crying all time in the day, or in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, and traumatic and traumas. But the positive things in my neighborhood, despite that we are always very close. We have done cleanup and camping with the recollection different things in the street. We bought alarms in 2 months ago, and we have mobilized to find those who want to damage our neighborhoods. Well, this is my family. My family composed of my husband. Aldemar is 39 years old. He's a Spanish teacher. He works with the States. My daughter, my little daughter, is Amy. Amy is 8 years old. Her birthday is the Saturday. She loves the mathematics. And my son is Gabriel. Gabriel Esteban is 4 years. He likes puzzles. And me, I am an art teacher. I teach music and theater, or different arts. Since I was a child, I love music. I study music in my school, trombone, piano, guitar, well, many instruments. I believe that the arts are important because encourage all people for anything. When a person has a passion for the things that he doesn't never stop. Thank you. Thank you for my critics with this music. It's very, very nice. My friends La Barcarroca, and this is my video. Thank you for this, for see this video, and I think no more. Thank you, and bye bye.